Do you want to learn how to connect your Brother HL L2380DW printer to Wi-Fi? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire wireless connection process using your printer's control panel. If you get stuck or have any questions along the way, just call the numbers on your screen and our team can provide one-on-one support. Otherwise, let's jump right in and get your printer connected. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Start by going to your Brother HL L2380DW printer's control panel. Look for Wi-Fi option and tap on it to enter the Wi-Fi menu. You'll see several options now. Find and tap on Setup Wizard because that's the easiest way to connect to your network. A prompt will appear on your screen asking you to confirm. Go ahead and select Yes to proceed with the Wi-Fi setup. Now, your printer is doing the work for you. It's scanning and searching for all nearby networks. Just give it a moment to complete the scan and show you the list. After a few seconds, you'll see a list of the Wi-Fi networks in your area appear on the screen. Look through the list and find your Wi-Fi network name. Once you spot it, tap on it to select it and then tap OK to confirm. Your printer will now ask you to enter your Wi-Fi password. Type it in carefully. Make sure you get exactly right because passwords are case sensitive. After you've typed in your password, you'll see a prompt that says Apply Settings. Go ahead and tap Yes to apply those Wi-Fi settings on your printer. Just wait a moment while your printer connects to your network. Once the connection is successful, you'll see a connected screen pop up. Just tap on OK and you're done. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.